guys, this is the spectrometer where we will be using to test these products which are available in the market, readily sold as sterilization boxes, sterilization sticks. So yeah, this basically lets us know the milliwatt per centimeter square for UVC C, UVC, UVB, UVA, total UV, and the dominant wavelength. And which is the dominant wavelength here, we can see it. So probably once I take my finger over the chart, it will show us what is the dominant wavelength. This is the next product, guys. It's called a Travelogue lamp stick. Lock protection, sterilization, small to carry. It mentions number of beads 7. It doesn't mention whether it is UVC. Alright, we'll try to unbox the product. So this product comes with a product manual. So it says keep moving UVC sterilizer 2 to 4 inches above surface, expose the counter unit to UVC lamp for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, the product looks good and quite comfortable for sanitizing. Okay, again, as we see, we have around 7 UVC LEDs here, but only one of them is gold and rest all are in white packaging. 1, 2, 3. The fourth LED is a golden package LED, and 5th, 6th, 7th are again white packaged LEDs. So let's see. You can see this. I have worn glasses, so please use carefully when testing any product. So again, what we'll try to do is we will just take a single reading. This reading is above me, which gives the wavelength of my light. What we will do is we'll try to now test this lamp source under the probe. Okay, so again, this is again a UVA product, which is really not doing the need for sanitizing. It's just 300, I think we're looking at a waveform roughly at around 400 nano nm. So I suggest I just see one LED which is different, which is probably a UVC LED. Let's just check on the meter again. But there's hardly any radiation, so probably according to me this product wouldn't really work and really do the sanitization or sterilization of any surfaces. So beware before buying such products. Lot of these products have been flooded the market, but really I don't understand why the people buy these products. Firstly, they don't solve the problem of sanitizing, because as LED technology is relatively very new technology, and as you know, these Chinese products, they really need to be checked before buying. So they are not UVC LEDs. I guess this is a UVC LED, but that's not that powerful to do sanitization work. So I suggest think twice, thrice before buying.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.